Uptown Swing.
Level 1, 8 count.
Peter.
Maddie.
You guys rocked it once again. We did the swing out today. You did so well. A couple things we talked about. Followers, really that hanging out thing. Can you show that, Maddie, where we're like here?
Oh yes, really hanging out, waiting to be scooped, and then hanging in that scooped feeling. Being towed like the tube behind the boat.
Not doing this open up thing. We lose you.
Yep.
Yeah? And then leaders, if you can think about, take your left side around on that circle, and your right side has to get behind you on the end. That was the big fix we did, and it really fixed the circle, made it look so good. So 2 circles in a row, looks like this. Ha, yeah, da da. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn, back it up. And then we had that same kind of feeling to make the swing out. We did 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 to start. Once we got that, we just kind of kept going with it, and followers are okay with going backwards. Leaders, you got to let go between 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got out here. Not like this, not totally like this, but with a little of this feeling once again. This is that get ready feeling. And if we had that, the next thing you do is gonna be smooth and easy because we got some feeling already. So then we made a swing out in a circle. Rock, step, triple step, step, back, get up into circle. I come around, ha, ha, ha. Again. Hey. You all rocked it. That's it. We will see you next week.